Hey guys, I'm so excited to talk to you about something that's been blowing my mind lately. I've been testing out these new smart glasses, and oh my gosh, they're insane. Like, we're talking next level tech that might actually replace your phone. I know, it sounds crazy, but stick with me. And I'll show you why these aren't just your average glasses. Okay, so let's talk about how far smart glasses have come. Remember those clunky Google Glass things from way back? Yeah, we've come a long way since then. These new smart glasses are sleek, powerful, and packed with features that'll make your head spin. It's like having a mini computer right on your face, but way cooler. The tech has evolved so much that we're now at a point where smart glasses could actually give your smartphone a run for its money. I mean, think about it. Hands-free, always on, right in front of your eyes. It's crazy how fast this technology is moving, and I'm totally here for it. So who's leading the charge in this smart glasses revolution? Well, you've got some big names like Meta. Yeah, the Facebook people. They're going all in on this tech. Then there's XREAL, which used to be called Unreal. They're making some seriously cool AR glasses. But it's not just them. You've got companies like Vuzix, North, and even Apple is rumored to be working on something. These companies are in an all-out war to create the perfect smart glasses. And let me tell you, the competition is fierce. It's like the smartphone wars all over again, but this time it's on your face. Now, let's get into the really cool stuff. AR navigation is like having a GPS system built right into your vision. Imagine walking down the street and seeing arrows pointing you in the right direction, or information about buildings and restaurants popping up as you look at them. It's like you're in a video game, but it's real life. And don't even get me started on display projection. These glasses can project a virtual screen right in front of your eyes. It's like having a giant TV that only you can see. You can watch movies, browse the web, or even work on documents, all while looking like you're just wearing regular glasses. The future is now, you guys. Okay, so one of the coolest things about these smart glasses is how they handle communication. You can make video calls without even touching your phone. It's all hands-free, voice-activated, and the camera is right there on your glasses. It's like you're in a sci-fi movie, talking to a hologram of your friend. And it's not just calls. These glasses are integrating with all kinds of apps. You've got your social media, your fitness trackers, your music players, all accessible through voice commands or subtle gestures. It's crazy how seamlessly these glasses are becoming a part of our digital lives. Now, I know what you're thinking, but won't I look like a total dork wearing these? Well, guess what? The designers have seriously stepped up their game. These new smart glasses actually look good. They're sleek, they come in different styles, and some of them are barely distinguishable from regular glasses. Plus, they're way more comfortable than the old ones. You can wear them all day without getting a headache. But let's talk about the elephant in the room, battery life. It's getting better, but it's still not perfect. Most of these glasses can last a full day with moderate use. But if you're going hard on the AR features, you might need to charge up midday. Still, they're making progress, and some models even have hot, swappable batteries. Pretty neat, right? All right, let's get real for a second. As cool as these smart glasses are, they do raise some privacy concerns. I mean, you're basically walking around with a camera on your face.
Some people might not be too thrilled about that. Plus, there's the whole data collection thing. We need to make sure these companies are being responsible with our information.
So, where is all this headed? Well, if you ask me, smart glasses are going to be huge. We're talking about a future where everyone's wearing these things, where our entire digital lives are right in front of our eyes. But will they completely replace smartphones? That's the million-dollar question. They might not replace them entirely, at least not right away, but they're definitely going to change the game. The technology is advancing so fast, and the possibilities are endless. All right, you guys, that's the lowdown on smart glasses. Pretty mind-blowing stuff, right? I'm totally obsessed with where this technology is going. But now I want to hear from you. Do you think smart glasses could replace your phone? Would you rock a pair of these? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech talk. Until next time, stay curious and keep embracing the future.